A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Monday's trading action at Dalal Street dated March 28, 2022. As of recording, Putin has given no signs of wavering despite mounting Russian losses in Ukraine. Also, pressures from sanctions and political isolation are just seen on the rise. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests caution is likely to be the buzzword at Dalal Street, primarily on backdrop of media reports that suggest that ceasefire unlikely to happen anytime soon in the Russia-Ukraine crisis. Now, before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty current market price 17,153, sell between 17,250 to 17,300 zone. Strict stop at 17,629, target 17,010 at 16,765, aggressive targets at 16,347. Bank Nifty 35,410, sell between 35,750 to 36,000 zone, strict stop at 37,357, targets 35,097 and then at 34,947, aggressive targets at 34,011 zone. Amongst the other key headwinds are, first, the 10-year US Treasury bond yields have climbed to 2.5%, the highest since May 2019, while Germany's 10-year bond yield rose to as high as 0.59%, the highest since May 2018. Second, the dollar index is at 98.81. Third, gold is at $19.57. WTI crude oil is steady at $114. An aggressive and hawkish Fed, which is most likely to go for half-point rate hikes in May and June. Our chart of the day is bullish on Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank and Vedanta with an intermonth perspective, but on any corrective declines. The one stock to buy right now by Bank of Baroda, a potential entry exists at current market price and on dips between 91 to 93 zone, target 123 and then at 137.50 and then aggressive targets at 177 mark. Holding period up to 5 to 8 months, stop at 75. Technically speaking, the make or break support for Nifty seen at psychological 17,000 mark. Only below 17,000 expect waterfall of selling, which could take Nifty down to 16,691 mark with interweek perspective. From a chartist standpoint, the technical landscape will improve considerably only if Nifty closes above its biggest hurdles at 17,807 mark. Intraday hurdles at 17,489 mark. The Nifty options data for March series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 16,500 to 18,000 zone. Maximum call open interest at 18,000 followed by 17,500 strike price. So the 18,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 16,000 levels followed by 16,500 levels. Call writing was seen at 18,100 and then at 18,000 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 17,200 and then at 17,100 strike price. Bank Nifty's maximum call open interest at 37,000 strike price while maximum put open interest at 34,000 strike price. Amongst corporate news, PVR Inox announced merger, Ajay Bijli will be the MD of combined entity. The amalgamation is subject to the approval of the shareholders of PVR and Inox respectively. Outlook for Monday, the theme revolves around war, inflation and murmurs of recession. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022-4076-7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.